What you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back with another video for you guys today. Now, to start off with, I just want to say a happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there, all the mothers who are watching, all the mothers who are not watching, all the mothers who have brought their children up, who are watching this video. We just want to say a little thank you to you guys today. Now, you guys came here to listen to what I'm going to talk about when it comes to the cost of success. And as you guys know, this is a channel for high aspiring people. This is a channel for goal people. This is a channel for people who want to achieve big things in their lives. So, to start off with, I just want to say that I'm going to be talking about the cost of success, but by no means do I consider myself in a position of being successful. I'm telling you guys stuff from my experience, what I've experienced, and what I know it takes to be successful. But again, I am not claiming to be successful yet. Eventually I will be there, one day, but I'm not there yet. So, to start off with, I just want to tell you guys a few things when it comes to the cost of success and what it costs to be successful. Late nights, early mornings. Unhappy friends, a small circle, lost time, lost money, pain, being misunderstood, feeling overwhelmed, unhappiness, losing a few friends, questioning your sanity, and often being your own cheerleader. So those are the things which it really takes to be successful. But at the same time, it sounds horrible, it sounds unfortunate, but to be honest, that is success. Success is hard. Success contains struggle. But it is not all doom and gloom. However, at the same time, you will lose money, you will lose friends, you're going to doubt yourself, you're going to feel like people are thinking you're crazy, you're going to sometimes feel like you're crazy, and to be honest, you're going to fail and it's going to hurt you a lot. You're going to go through those periods of time when you feel like, why is this happening to me? I'm not succeeding in this, I'm not doing well in this, am I ever going to be successful? But guess what? At the end of all of that, it is 100% worth it. You see what you're going through, you see what you're doing each and every night. Sometimes you don't know if if it's taking you anywhere. But if you feel any of those things I just mentioned, guess what? It sounds weird, but you're on the right path. It is uncomfortable. It is not always nice. And the worst thing is, when it comes to success, what does everyone see? I'll tell you what everyone doesn't see. The rejection, the feeling overwhelmed, the unhappiness, the late nights, the early mornings, the stress, the anxiety, the constant doubts, the people who take advantage of you, the people who tell you you can't do it, family misunderstanding you, all those things. People don't see that. Guess what people see when you're successful? They see success. That's it. They see success. And the thing is, all the things I mentioned, family pressure, struggles, all of that, you've got to go through it to be successful. And the thing is, with all of those things, like I said, they're all obstacles. But you know what the good thing is about obstacles? There's no achievement without obstacles. Think about it. Anything you've ever accomplished, there's no way you tried it first time you succeeded. I don't care if it's the simplest thing like, learning to walk, learning to ride a bike. I don't care if it's the hardest thing like, making 100K in a year from online business. I don't care if it's something like, making your varsity soccer team. I don't know what it might be for you, but there's no achievement without overcoming obstacles. So all that doubt, all that fear, all that pain, it might be an obstacle, but it's there for you to overcome it. Sometimes, for some of you, for me, for example, the obstacles, I see them as a cost of greatness. If you want to be great, you've got to go over those obstacles. You've got to jump those hurdles. You've got to climb that mountain. Everyone, is not going to cheer you on. Not everyone's going to say to you, well done, keep going. I believe in you. There are going to be people who doubt you, but at the same time, there are also going to be people who support you. But like I said, a lot of the time, it's going to come down to you being your own cheerleader, you rooting for yourself, you seeing what you're doing and saying, I can do this. Your family might put pressure on you because you're doing something they don't like, for example. Maybe they told you to study law, you want to be a doctor, I don't know. But, they're going to put pressure on you. At the same time, you're going to be like, okay, I'm going to do this, I'm going to prove them wrong. I'm also going to, show them that it was beneficial, show them that, it was right that I made this decision. There are so many things you're going to have to go through to get success. But again, like I said, these are all obstacles. Obstacles are the true cost of greatness. And again, like I said, when it comes to, what people see the success. People see the overnight success, you became successful quickly. But to be honest with you, what people see is a myth. That success, that overnight success is a myth, it's a lie. Again, I'm going to remind you multiple times, all the stuff that you see, what you're doing, is what the other people don't see. And is that bad or good? Well, it doesn't really matter, because it's about you in the end of the day. So, if you're going through any of the things I mentioned, whether that's being misunderstood by your friends, your family, your peers, whether that's losing friends, whether that's spending a lot of money on something which doesn't pay off, whether that's, losing sleep over something, whether that's you being confused, unhappy, hurt, do not worry, do not panic. These are all what it costs to be successful. We all want to be great. Like I said, this is a channel for high achievers. So if you don't want to be great, to be honest with you, this is not exactly the channel for you. But if you do want to be great, you do want to be, successful, you want to become close to financial freedom, then of course, this is the right place to be. So to do that, again, you're going to have to go through those periods of doubt. And, during those periods of doubt, you got to tell yourself, it's going to be worth it. I've got to keep going. Again, you've got to be your own cheerleader. Being your own cheerleader means you seeing potential when there's, other people are not seeing potential. It means you taking on, more work, putting in more time, putting in more effort, trying different things, trying new things, maybe losing some more money, the uncomfortable stuff, the stuff you don't want to do, the stuff you don't like, because at the end of the day, it's going to be worth it. And I can tell you from, my experiences so far, with the small things that I've been successful in, the uncomfortability, the unhappiness, the pressure, all that, it has been 100% worth it. So again, for those of you who want to eventually be successful in whatever industry that may be, and like I said, it's not always down to money. Some of you may want to provide for your family. Some of you may want to donate money to the poor. Some of you may want to adopt someone who's, in an unfortunate situation. Success for you may come in a few different forms. Success for you may be one thing. Success is different for everybody. But that success, whatever it may be, no matter what you come across, it is going to take a lot. It's going to take a lot out of you. But again, it's going to be 100% worth it. There's a big difference between those who are successful and those who are not successful. The ones who are successful, they'd rather make a bad decision than no decision. The ones who are not successful, they sit on the fence, they wait, they continue to plan, they hesitate, they don't push forward. And that's often, what separates them from the rest. Of course, like I said, it is Mother's Day. So for those of you who have mothers that push you, you understand what I'm talking about. I've done small things in my life. My mom's pushed me, been like, wow, that's amazing. So you see, if you applied yourself in this and that area, you'd be really good. You'd be able to do this, you'd be able to accomplish that. And it is true. That's what I want to tell you guys today. I'm not your mother, and hopefully your mother has told you, what you can achieve. But if she hasn't told you, then I'll tell you. You can achieve whatever you set your mind to. Again, you've got to be realistic to an extent. If I set my mind to making, 500 people a millionaire within the next 10 seconds, obviously it's not going to happen. But when it comes to what you apply yourself to, when it comes to what you push for, what you spend your time doing, how you anticipate things, then you're going to be closer and closer to success. Remember, your path might change many times. Your journey might change many times. But you've got to embrace that journey. You've got to put in time, put in the work, go through the different events, pass through things, pass by people, overtake people, overcome challenges, and eventually you're going to get to that point where you realize, wow, I've made it. I've accomplished X, I've done Y. I'm happy now. I feel good. I finally did it. It took me 1 year, it took me 2 years, it took me, some of you, 5 years. For some of you, it might take 10 years. I don't know. You guys have seen the biggest companies in the world. The Amazons, the Facebooks, the Apples. They didn't, become successful in a few days. Everyone thinks, oh, I wish I could be that person. I wish I could do that. Yeah, but you didn't see, all the things which I mentioned at the beginning of the video, which people don't see. What you saw is the success, reaping the rewards. You didn't see the struggle. You didn't see the pain. They didn't see all the rest of the things. So I hope you guys understand the message of today's video. Success is going to cost you a lot. But make sure that if you're going through the things I mentioned, you understand that you need to keep going, keep pushing, keep going through the fire. You're going to come out stronger. You're going to come out on the better side. You're going to feel a lot better after you've done all of that. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day today. As always, make sure you guys leave a like. Show me you've understood the cost of true success today. Comment on this video. Let me know what else you want to see on this channel. As always, share these with your friends. Help them become successful. Help them push closer to their goals and dreams. As always, like I've said, my goal, my aim is to make at least one person better each and every day. One person close to financial freedom. One person pushing for success. One person more in control of their time. All of those kind of things. So like I said, leave a like, subscribe, share, comment, all the good stuff. But that's the video, guys. Be back here tomorrow for Monday Motivation. I'm going to motivate you guys for this week. On top of that, check out all the links in the description. We've got smartwatches, cryptocurrency, affiliate marketing, a lot of different stuff going on there. What I've been making, you've got success to be chasing. See you guys tomorrow for Monday Motivation. Peace.